In this tutorial, I will show you how you can easily enter a new claim for collections. To enter a new account, you will first need to log into your online portal using your given username and password. Once you log in, click on the Enter New Claim button on the menu bar. This will bring you to a new page where you will be asked to provide information about your debtor. By default, individual will be selected. However, if your debtor is a business, click on the company option. Input all relevant information, and if you are missing any specific information, leave it blank. We encourage you to use the Notes section to provide details about the outstanding debt. This will greatly assist us in handling your account. Now let's move on to the Claim Info section. Start by entering the claim number. This will usually be the original invoice or account number you have for your debtor. If you have no invoice number for your debtor, enter Not Applicable. For commercial debts, select COM from the drop-down. If you don't charge any interest, leave the interest start date and the interest rate blank. Be sure to provide a first delinquency date. This is the date when the account first became delinquent. It is usually the date of service. We recommend you upload any related document, such as an invoice, ledger, or contract agreement, by clicking on the Choose file. Don't forget to click on the Insert Claim button, and your account will successfully be transferred to Fair Capital. You can always contact your account manager if you need help transferring your accounts. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.